Thank you. Free, unrestrained. Well, for 75 years, Jeep has helped drivers push physical and psychological barriers, delivering on the capability and confidence to redefine what's possible. Now, today, I offer you two more words, and that's thank you. Thank you for your ongoing passion for Jeep and for joining us as we turn the next page in this story of an iconic American brand. Now, it's certainly been a good year, a very busy year, and we've been celebrating the 75th anniversary, as you know. Now, of course, we've marked the occasion of our 75th anniversary by issuing some very special editions of every Jeep model. And we've been celebrating with loyal Jeep fans as well, with special events hosted just for them. And that's essential, because after all, Jeep is truly a social brand. And as I've said on many occasions, we don't own it, our customers do. So really, this year's been about their party. In fact, that's one of the things that still amazes me after all of these years. We have this fundamentally American brand, and yet it's profoundly global. Awareness around the world is incredible. And I think that speaks not only to Jeep's legendary status and authenticity, but to its universal appeal as a tough, capable vehicle that's right for any driving situation. And I think this is reflected in our sales. Now, Jeep is up 15% through October, and here in the United States, we're up 10%. Obviously, many factors contribute to this growth, but I think chief amongst them is the unrelenting effort of the Jeep product development teams. Now, we introduced all new Jeep vehicles in the small and mid-size SUV segments with the Renegade and Cherokee, and both of these have been quick to find their markets. And earlier this year, we introduced the critically acclaimed Grand Cherokee Trailhawk and Summit models. And by the way, they already make up 20% of Grand Cherokee sales. But I guess when you start with the most awarded SUV ever and then bring even more capability and luxury to the equation, it's hard to go wrong. Now, the restyled front fascia that we introduced on the 75th anniversary model is now extended across the 2017 Grand Cherokee lineup, and that caps off a number of ongoing improvements. So, we're taking this proven formula for success and now applying it to the all-important C-SUV segment. Now, in the US, our current Compass and Patriot have been performing exceptionally, and they actually represent around 25% of the segment in 2016. Now, of course, we hope to build on this success, but this is a massive global segment, and it already reaches 6.3 million vehicles a year. But projections are that this will grow to 7.5 million by 2020. But here's another way to think of those big numbers. While sales in North America are seeing steady increases, growth in Asia-Pacific region are expected to exceed 17%, and in Europe, over 22% growth by 2020. Now, we're convinced that the world is ready for an urban explorer equipped to scale this global compact SUV market, and, whilst it's doing it, make a splash around the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the all-new 2017 Jeep Compass. Well, legendary Jeep capability rises the bar in the compact SUV segment. Now, with a world-class 2017 Jeep Compass Limited, which you can see there, and of course, the Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Now, the 2017 Compass makes its appearance as a true citizen of the world. It's going to be built in 4 countries and will have a selection of 17 technologically advanced powertrain combinations. And with its unsurpassed 4x4 capability, superior on-road driving dynamics, Jeep Compass is ready to help drivers tackle the toughest roads on the planet. Now, the Compass will be offered in 4 models: Sport, Latitude, Limited, and Trailhawk, and each has a distinctive interpretation of the authentic design cues that hint at its road-worthy heritage. Now, the 7-slot grille, as you can see, gets a fresh look. They're set between sporty headlamps, which I think really helps emphasize this Jeep's wide stance. And the available painted gloss black roof creates a really premium statement. It also has a huge dual-pane sunroof that's available, which will really bring that open-air sense of freedom to both the front and the back passenger seats. Now, as you'd expect, the interior carries forward this fine balance of premium materials and purposeful execution. The contoured seats are designed to keep drivers positioned for comfort while offering security and control. And the cockpit is designed around the driver with an available full-color 7-inch instrument cluster, which, by the way, is the largest in the segment, which is easily configured for personal preference. Now, Jeep Compass does a great job of providing the right creature comforts inside, but is purpose-built to tackle the great outdoors. So let me start with powertrains. We have 17 fuel-efficient options that are designed for markets around the world, and these include 3 gas engines and 2 diesels, plus 3 remarkable transmissions. Now, in North America, customers will enjoy the 180 horsepower 2.4-litre Tiger Shark Multi-Air 2 engine, which will deliver up to 30 miles per gallon, thanks in part to its stop-start technology. A choice of 3 transmissions mean we can customize for driver preference and drivetrain needs. And the class-exclusive 9-speed automatic transmission, which is offered on all Compass 4x4 models, helps optimize engine output for spirited acceleration while delivering smooth, efficient power at highway speeds. Our responsive 6-speed transmission is standard on all 4x2 models, and our 6-speed manual transmission, which is available on most models, is calibrated to deliver impressive fuel efficiency at faster speeds. Now, of course, with every Jeep performance, it comes down to having the right chassis components. The Compass is built on FCA's mass-efficient small-wide architecture, which, as you know, is noted for its world-class torsional stiffness. The fully independent front suspension, including a segment-exclusive frequency-damping front and rear strut system, will help deliver on-road driving dynamics for both comfort and stability. And off-road, the all-new Compass is untouchable. Legendary Jeep capability is available through 2 advanced, intelligent 4x4 systems, Active Drive and Active Drive Low, and each kicks in instantly when 4x4 traction is needed, and both can send 100% of the available torque to any one wheel. With the exclusive Active Drive Low system, which is standard on Trailhawk, Compass achieves best-in-class off-road performance, and it comes with the 5-mode Jeep Select terrain system, which provides the best 4-wheel drive performance for any condition you may encounter. Now, Trailhawk, this model behind me, achieves trail-rated capability with unmatched approach, breakover, and departure angles, thanks to the unique fascia and the increased ride height of almost 1 inch. The result is a best-in-class ground clearance and capability, whether you're coming or going. It also includes skid plates, front and rear tow hooks in the signature red, hill descent control, an aggressive 17-inch off-road tyres, and the ability to ford water up to 19 inches deep. Clearly, Jeep owners value the option of escaping civilization now and again. But that said, a certain amount of connectivity is always appreciated. Now, Compass is the first Jeep SUV to offer a choice of 4 new Uconnect systems, delivering communication, entertainment, and navigation features. The new 8.4-inch touchscreens offer multi-touch gestures with pinch, tap, and swipe capability, just like your phone or tablet. In fact, customers will now be able to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to seamlessly integrate with their phone's voice control and a full range of entertainment features. As with every Jeep, advanced safety and security is a priority, and that is so for the all-new Compass. It's packed with more than 70 available features, which include semi-autonomous driving technology, parallel and perpendicular park assist systems, hands-free phone navigation and voice texting, and it sits in a safety cage construction with more than 65% high-strength steel. So, that's a quick look at the all-new 2017 Jeep Compass, the world-class compact SUV, which I think is poised to expand the world view of a new generation of Jeep drivers. Now, you can expect Compass to hit the showrooms in the first quarter next year. And as I said, it's already been a busy time for Jeep this year, but we look forward to sharing even more as we get into 2017. In fact, I think if you think of this as the launch of our next 75 years of inspiring people to go further, live larger, and explore every corner of this amazing world. So thank you for your time. Thank you.